Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the PlantIn app. Here it opens up in My Plants. From here we just have to go into More. Then after the app is loaded, we go into the top right corner, tap on the cog. Then scroll down and here we find change password. We tap on this and here we just enter our current password and then our new password twice. And after we have done this, we can tap on confirm and then our password is going to be updated. And yeah, we can change it as many times as we want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.